Boeing has been awarded a $2.56 billion contract by the U.S. Air Force to develop two rapid prototype of E7A airborne early warning and control wedgetail aircraft. The E7A wedgetail is a combat-proven platform providing advanced tracking and battle management command and control capabilities, giving joint forces a critical first to detect, first to engage advantage. The Irkutsk aviation plant has manufactured and handed over new Su-30 SM-2 multi-role fighters to the Russian Defense Ministry. The new fighters have received an enhanced suite of avionics, improving their combat capabilities by extending their range to detect and identify air targets. Additionally, the aircraft features new high-precision weapons capable of targeting air, ground and sea threats over several hundred kilometers. The Iranian drone footage reveals San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock and a Wasp-class amphibious assault ship of the U.S. Navy along with the Spanish helicopter carrier Juan Carlos I. The video provides detailed real-time views of military equipment, including warplanes stationed on the decks of these vessels. This development comes at a time of escalating tensions between Iran and Israel. Russia's defense industry unveils world's first artillery unmanned ground vehicle. This system is equipped with D-30,122mm howitzer, which provides a stable firing platform and allows quick 360-degree rotation, engaging enemy targets at a maximum distance of 15.3 kilometers.